We're likely around a month away from the launch of Google's next flagship phone, and the leaks are starting to heat up. Even with Google divulging plenty of information and sharing an official teaser image months before the release, the leaks haven't quite matched the last year's Pixel 3 debacle, but we probably still know pretty much all there is to know about the Pixel 4 by now. The latest leak shows that we are pretty sure is a genuine Google Pixel 4 TV commercial sent to Pro Android by a reader, although the quality isn't great because it's a video of a video on another screen. It starts off with a question: what happens when the people who made all of this put everything they know into one of these? All of this being Google Search, Maps, YouTube, and one of these relates to an image of a phone with a forehead larger than its chin with some Google-related graphics on the screen. It sure looks like a Pixel 4. The answer, according to the ad, is that you get a phone made with the Google way. It goes on to depict that the solid-powered gesture control feature we already knew was coming and talk up the speed and usefulness of the Google Assistant on the device. Naturally, it also boasts about the phone's low-light camera powers while introducing the impressive ability to photograph the stars. We mostly see the white Pixel 4 in the TV spot, which appears to have an orange coral power button with a black frame all around, and doesn't it look pretty? It also matches up with the previously leaked images showing the design of a white phone next to the coral and black versions. We can fully expect more leaks to turn up over the coming weeks, so it's all about the Pixel 4 hype train, I guess. When it rains, it pours, or so it seems. We now have a closer look at the Google Pixel 4 in the upcoming coral color after a short hands-on video has leaked. It appears to follow the familiar design aesthetic of the black and panda white Pixel 4 XLS that we saw just hours ago. The Coral Pixel 4 has the same black border around the edge of the device and the familiar upper right camera nodule. While it's always difficult to ascertain the authenticity, given the timing of the leak and previous device leaks, it seems likely that this is indeed legitimate. The most disappointing aspect is that the snippet of 240p footage is just so short to really get a proper grasp of the overall look of the orange-tinted Pixel. We hopefully won't have much longer to wait to see the device in the flesh though. This latest video leak of the Pixel 4 comes via a YouTube channel, Gadget Leaks, that shared the original video over on the Google Pixel subreddit. We still don't know the name of this upcoming color, which has led to our own speculation as to what this new color might be referred to. Unfortunately, we don't get to see this coral-like color matched or compared with the black and white models. It makes it much harder to get a proper color reference. It does, however, look particularly striking and fits with the other leaks we have seen of the handset. We have seen stills of the three devices side by side already. We don't get to see the display during the video clip, so it's not actually clear as if this is indeed a working Pixel 4 at all. It could simply be a rare panel. That said, this model looks to have a white sleeve wake button. The slightly deeper orange of the Google logo is also a nice design touch. So, what do you think? Are you the fan of the new color, or would you prefer a sleeker white or black aesthetic from the Pixel 4? Last week, Google finally rolled Android 10 on its Pixel and Essential smartphones. Android 10 brought tons of changes to Android's ecosystem, including swifter gestures and better privacy controls, among other things. The Android 10 update also brought us a new setting called Customize Your Pixel in the Settings app. The Customize Your Pixel setting right on top of all the other settings in the app and is represented using a paintbrush icon. Underneath, it says try different styles, wallpapers, clocks, and more. But when you open the setting, all you find is a wallpaper setting, which isn't fully functional yet. Simply said, you cannot use Google Photos as your wallpaper yet. Now, XD Developers reports that the tech giant is planning to introduce new themes in its Pixel 4 smartphones that will allow the Pixel smartphones users to customize various aspects of the device, such as clock style and color and style of the icons, among other things. This might happen through a separate themes app's evidence of which the publication first found back in April this year in the code of Android Q beta. Now, the publication has found more evidence in this regard in the code of Android 10. The app is likely to contain three sections: Style, Clock, and Wallpaper. While the Wallpaper section is already live, the new Themes app in Android 10 is likely to offer three options to the Pixel phone users: Crayon, Purple accent color, Arbutus font, circular or teardrop icons. Collage, green accent color, arrow and later font, filled icons. Ash, black accent color, rubric font, rounded or squircle icons. As far as the clock settings are concerned, Pixel users will get to pick between the default clock style, the bubble style, the analog watch and the type, which will display time in watts. It remains unclear when Google will unveil its new Themes app and allow the Pixel users to customize their smartphone. However, it is possible that the company introduces this feature with the launch of Pixel 4 smartphones next month and then gradually roll out the features to all their Pixel models.